Hey, J Mart. How's it going? Hey, New York, son. We got some of the cards out from our first two breaks tonight. Hopefully give us some good luck. Earlier tonight, we got a Tanner Houck auto. We got a David Peterson auto. We got a Luis Garcia 1/1 printing plate. That's out of the Topps Gallery mega boxes. We had a Joey Bart auto come out of the Topps archive. And we got another Joey Bart auto that came out of the gallery as well. So we've been on a little bit of a streak so far. Hopefully we can get some more good cards tonight. We got on deck for this one 6 Bowman Lite Hobbies. This is actually going to be my first break of these, so I'm pretty excited to open them, see what they're all about. Hope you guys are a little bit lenient with me on the name pronunciation and some of the teams, because this is going to be my first look at some of these guys. I'm going to get these guys out of here. Just wanted to bring them in for some good luck. Let's get it. I think there's 10 packs in each one of these. Yup, 10, 5 in each. I think there's 16 cards in each one. Yup, 16 cards. Cool. Oh, sorry. Box is empty. Let's get it. Good luck, y'all. These ones got the black and white wave, I believe. So we'll actually pull those to the top. All cards ship. Let me know if you don't want your cards, the base cards, out of this, and I won't send them to you. I'll donate them. JJ Blede, Cody Morissette, Jeter Downs, Jordan Lawler first, Eric Silva first, Michael Greavy, Julio Carreras, Isaac Pacheco, Ryan Spikes, Jackson Jobe, Ian Moeller. We got our first Chrome. So there's Chrome cards in these ones as well, the rookie Chrome cards. JT Schwartz, Wilman Diaz, Sam Bachman, Tyler Black, and Reginald Precadio. That's a cool one. Little refractor. Centering was a little off on that one though. Good luck. Actually gonna do it that way. Chad Dallas, Pete Crow Armstrong, Jacob Steinmetz, Luis Matos. I'm a huge Giants fan, so I'm all about him. Brandon Brossier, Peter Hubick, Eduardo Garcia, Dante Williams, Jeremy De La Rosa, Michael Morales, Gunnar Henderson. Got a Boston Red Sox here. Brainier Bonacci. Good young player. Chad Dallas. Genesis. Let's go. Colton Cowser. Let's go. What a hit. Black Wave Refractor. We got Mason Miller. Black and white wave, sorry. We got Zach Veen. Hey, J-Mart. Hey, New York Sun. You guys mind shooting in the chat who you guys got in this break so that I know who to root for you? I like to have a little interaction during the break so that hopefully I can get a little excited for you. I know last break I was getting pretty pumped up with all the pulls we were getting. One guy ended up getting about 6 of the cards. So you got the Yanks for sure. Little Genesis action on the first box, eh? Let's go. We got that Mason Miller. What about you, J-Mart? Appreciate you participating. Are you in New York? So are you staying up late right now? I'm sorry that this one's so late. But yeah, if you are staying up late, man, my break tomorrow on these is at 5 p.m. So I'm trying to be a little bit more conscientious of the East Coasters. We're just starting out, so we're trying to get rid of some of our stock right now outside of this Bowman draft. So we're going crazy. Me too, bro. Hunter Goodman, Brady House. We're out here trying to meet people. That's why we're here. We're here to serve you guys and get you guys some cards. Logan Henderson. What's up, War Possum? What's up, EJ the GOAT? Logan Henderson. Diego Cartaya. Jordan Barely. Freddie Valdez. Jake Fox first. Jordan Adams. Carson Williams. Malcolm Nunez. Jose Torres to the Chrome cards. We got Owen Kellington. We got Chi Jung Lui. Oops, sorry guys. We got a Gunnar Henderson numbered card. I wanted to flip that for the quick reveal. Gunnar Henderson numbered out of 199. This is an epic card. My computer is currently turned off with the parallel, so I do apologize for that. That's one of my learning curve moments right here. So that was the card I flipped for you guys. Louis on the back side. Put these guys off to the side. We got Jackson Wolf. And we got Carter Jensen. Get these all sleeved up. War Possum, who you got? Who you got tonight? Or are you just watching, stopping through, supporting the break? We got some heat earlier. We got a couple Joey Barts. We just pulled the Genesis. Let's see. We got Tanner Houck. We got a 101 printing plate for gallery of my boy Luis Garcia, the Nats. So that was pretty sick. I'll actually pull that out here in a second so you guys can see it because I already put it away. This Gunnar Henderson one, though, the centering's kind of off, so might want to check that out. Good young player, good young prospect. You know how the card comes out a little curved sometimes in the box? That's kind of what this one is, so it's kind of going in a little funky. Actually, you know what? I'll get you something a little wider. We'll just slide it right in there so it doesn't even have an issue. Sorry, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me grab the top loader for you. Let me grab one. Yeah, here we go. We're back. Sorry. Just how to open a new pack. We got those wide top loaders. We'll just slide it right in. Take care, you guys. Don't mind if I do. All right, my G. This one should slide right in, hopefully. Still a little curved, though. You know what I mean? It's all right. We good? All right, boys. All right, I'm going to get moving. Sorry about that. We got a lot of cards to open. Alec Thomas, Ricky Tiedemann, Brian Bovelis, Grayson Rodriguez, Mason Black, TJ White, Benny Montgomery, Maddox Bruins, Christian Hernandez, Cooper Kinney, Nick York, got an auto from him out of the Bowman Inception last week. Check it out on my page. Jordan Grosjean, Emmanuel Rodriguez, Landon Marceau, Ian Moeller, black and white Rave. These are pretty cool. Tyler Black. All right, my G's. It's a lot of cards, yo. We got like almost 1,000 to open tonight. Yeah, bro, all these cards are sick. It's so funny. I've just been getting back into the card collecting game in the last year. That's why I'm breaking, is because I'm trying to get to know as many people as I can more than anything. And all you dudes into these Bowman cards got me so into them. I hold the Topps card now and I feel dirty. Anyway, actually, sorry, I'm gonna put that one off to the side. These refractor ones, I'll just penny sleeve them in, top sleeve them, or top row them for you guys after, but these black white ones I'll keep doing. Let's see if we can get some more heat. Let's go. Connor Norby, Luis Angel Acuna, Ronald Acuna's little bro, Jordan Byers, Marcelo Meyer first, Shane Panzini, Raquelvin DeCastro, Zach Veen, Luis Rodriguez, Steven Hajar, Robert Hassel, Ben Kuderna, Dominic Hamel, Drew Gray. All right, what we got going on here? Joe Mack, Bowman Draft Night. Is that an insert? Brady House and Dylan Lau. Jordan Walker. What players you guys looking for, huh? That Ian Muller card is sick. All of these are. That Gunnar Henderson one's sick too. But what are some of the players on the Yanks and the Rangers that you guys are looking for? I don't think there has been any Reds yet. Sorry about that, J Mart. I missed that chat. All right, next one up. Sorry about that. Trying to get it moving for you guys. There's just so many cards, and then each one's got some pretty nice ones in it, so gotta get them sleeved up. Mick Abel, Jackson Wolf, Eric Pena, Will Bednar, Guy Rosario, Andy Rodriguez, Selvage. That's who you're looking for. Kevin Kopps, Adele Amador, Tristan Casas, Joe Rock, Marco Luciano, one of my favorites, Giants, baby. Brendan Bossier, Jordan Adams, Jefferson Cuero, Jeremy De La Rosa. It's a sick card. Wilman Diaz. What's up, Scott? Scott bringing the good luck, guys. Scott on the last one. I got to pull these cards out real quick because I don't think Scott's in this one. But Scott slayed in the first two this morning, or this evening. Jeez, man. Been breaking for so long now. My brain's not working anymore, guys. But let me show you these real quick if I still got them up here. Yeah, I do. This Joey Bart auto. Another Joey Bart auto. He got this 1/1 printing plate of my boy Luis Garcia. Sick. But yeah, and then we got the Houck and Peterson autos. So just throwing that good luck out there. Scott, thanks for coming back and bringing your good luck with you, hopefully, for the guys. One thing I'm really excited about in getting into these Bowman cards is that growing up as a kid, I was always really into the prospects, and I knew a lot about them. I researched a ton. But now that I'm a little bit older, I've kind of fallen off. I just watch Giants games, but don't stay as much in the weeds in outside teams, minor league systems. So shout me out when we get some good players, guys. Andrew Abbott, Maximo Acosta, I've heard that name before. Cal Conley, Jose Salas, Brendan Beck, Chad Patrick, Aaron Sabato, John Rhodes, Dominic Hamel, Tyler Soderstrom, Reed Trimble, first Chrome, Brady House, Pete Crow Armstrong, got you a bet card, Jordan McCants, another Genesis, Andrew Painter, and Brendan Beck. There we go, baby. Let's go, Brendan Beck. What's up? Called it, boy. There we go. I like that. Keep that juju coming. I hate when you pick up a card, though, and you can feel it's a little curved. You see that? It's from that chrome. Those thick cards, man, they get that little curve to them. Kind of like those Panini basketball cards. Yeah, that's a sick card, bro. It feels nice to hold on to, you know what I mean? That's why I like these Bowman cards. They're like high class compared to Topps, bro. So it's pretty sweet. Yeah, all these cards are pretty sweet. I'm gonna run out of real estate real quick, so I'm gonna be keeping your guys' cards off to the side. I'll sleeve up that Beck one right after this, my G. I'll keep you guys going since we got like 750 more cards to go. But I got you in that penny sleeve. We got some fun cards in here, man. Hey, we got another one that feels pretty heavy. Pedro Pineda, Ty Madden, Robert Pausen, Pedro Leon, Jay Allen, Colton Cowser, JT Schwartz, Brannier Bonacci, Chase Petty. Ooh, pulled 2 at a time. Sorry, guys. Po Yu Chen and Ricky Tiedemann. Purple. So let's go with these purple. Are these just a parallel? Nope, they're numbered. Let's go. Out of 250, this is number 109, Ricky Tiedemann. Good pull for Toronto. Look at that kid's flow. I like that. Henry Davis, good card. Dustin Signs. Calvin Ziegler. We got a 4th red and white wave for KC. Frank Mozzicato. I've seen this name before, so I assume he's pretty good. Chad Dallas. I want to say it was him that I was looking up when I was trying to buy KC last week in a Bowman draft. Break. The thing that's tough is that I don't really like to collect pitchers. I don't know why. Kind of all about the hitters. Let me know what you guys are into. You guys are into the hitters or the pitchers? Yeah, the black and white cards are sick. That's why I like them in this set. Feels different holding them, bro. I'm glad we got you. Glad we got you. Got you guys some good cards. Let's keep going. We got 5 boxes left. 2 packs left out of this one. Yeah, so many pitchers so far. Bro, I'm trying to get you some home run hitters because those are the money makers. We can get some Shohei Ohtanis, you know what I mean? Even though I know that they're not in this box, but I'm just saying. Some future Shoheis. Inspiring kids everywhere to be pitchers and hitters, yeah? You like it better with the pitchers? If so, why is that? I'm trying to learn, my G. Doug Nikhazy, Garrett Mitchell, Denzel Clark, Blaze, Trent DeVoe, Mason Miller, Asa Lacy, Tyler Madison, Micah Ottenbrett, Gunnar Holland, Oslevis Basabe, Igay Rosario, Elmer Rodriguez Cruz, Michael McGreevy. Ooh, we got an Invicta. Hey, Jackson Jobe. What's good? Wish it was numbered, but it's all good. You guys can actually see me in the reflection. What's up? Glad to serve you. Welcome. Appreciate it. Ooh. Let's see what's good, man. This card, that card's thick, yo. I'm gonna have to get the other set of them. Jeremy De La Rosa. Let's go. Damn, I thought that was 2 cards, man. It was so heavy. All right, we got this one over here. I'll go ahead. Slit the edge of this one for you. And then I need to actually get the other size top loaders. I'm going to have to get my bigger pennies, I believe, after this. I don't want to force this card in. Yeah, I'm not going to. So I'm gonna put this over to the side. Over here where it's nice and safe. I'm going to throw it in the bigger penny sleeve so that you guys are all safe. hitters are better. Yeah. Jason Dominguez, Ethan Wilson, Victor Mesa Jr., Yohendrick Pinango, Elmer Rodriguez Cruz, Ruben Ibarra, Mick Abel, Sal Frelick, Jaden Hill and Benny Montgomery, Colorado. New York, we got Brendan Beck. Let's go, baby. What's good, boy? I told you I'd take care of you. Frelick's going to be sick, eh? We got that bag black and white. Chi Jung Lui. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. I forgot to flip these out before. Put these in the front. Helio Ramos. Carter Jensen. Nick Gonzalez. J-Rod. Kyle Manzardo. Let's see here. Show. Let's go, boy. We got you that Beck. These cards are fire. I'm all about it. Let's keep it going. Next box up. Box number 2. Let's get it. I'm going to try to go quicker than 30 minutes, boy. We ain't got that kind of time on here. Oh, sorry. If I lose you guys, I'm just going to save it, post it real quick, and throw up a second live video. We just going to stop exactly where we're at. Oh, sorry. It's late. So there's 4 on that side. You got 6 on this side. I'll show you guys real quick. See that 6? So we got 2 stacks of 5 right here, right quick. Oh, sorry. Boom. Here we go, boys. We got 5 and 5. Good luck. Yeah, 3 different bet cards. Let's go, boy. It's time to clean. Clean house. Let's go. Helio Ramos, Carter Jensen, Nick Gonzalez, J-Rod, Kyle Manzardo, Alexander Mojica, Jason Dominguez, Ethan Wilson, Lonnie White, Adley Rutschman, Spencer Schweb Black. We got a Giant. Matt Mikulski, Gavin Williams. Sorry, I just noticed that I had one sorted on the wrong side. Slid it over. Another one, Benny Montgomery and Jaden Hill. We just saw this one. Zach Veen and Jordan Adams. Oh, sorry guys. Trying to go quick here. Brain's moving a little slow. It's a little late in the day. I'll get you there though. We're getting to the finish line. Thanks for staying up late, guys. Appreciate you. Yeah, Zach Veen. All right, start shouting out the players. The good ones. The bad ones. Jordan Groshans, Jordan McCants, Henry Davis, Bryce Miller, Ryan Cusick, Edwin Arroyo, Javier Peguero, Tyler Black, Jackson Jobe, Ian Moeller, Harry Ford, Landon Marceau. This dude looks like Jared Weaver, does he not? Yeah, you do. Owen Kellington, Chin Jung Lu, Matt Mikulski with the red and black and white wave, and Brady House. Man, these cards are so clean. And the sick thing is like, I feel like each one's kind of got its own little thing going on to it, you know? So I feel like the Invicta is sick. The Genesis is sick. The black and white are sick. I'm going to put this one off to the side since we're all out of stands for the moment. Don't want to make it too crowded here. Shout me out some players. Hey Scott, let's get that auto magic back in the chat. Luke Murphy, Andrew Painter, Tanner Allen, Sal Frelick, Miguel Geraldo, Brock Selvage, let's do it. Ronnie Mauricio, Cameron Cawley, Emmanuel Rodriguez, Hario Palmares, Ryan Webb, Milcar Perez, Brainier Bonacci, let's go, Chrome, Chad Dallas, JT Schwartz. We got another Genesis back here, but it looks like it's flipped. I'll put this down. Marcelo Meyer, let's go, baby. Out of 250, number 150 out of 250. Genesis, let's go. This is a dope card. So sick. Out of 150, we just keep pulling that heat tonight. Let's go. You know what time it is. Let's get that Brock Selvage next. Who else we searching for? Got that Genesis. Man, I couldn't even wait to finish that one before I broke that up, huh? Man, we're going to put that one right there. Move Mason Miller out. We just pulled that Genesis out of 250. Marcelo Meyer. Time to keep it going. JT Schwartz. And Hendrik Pinongo. Man, we've been on a hot streak tonight. Scott. Might be because of you, man. You bringing your luck in here too? You didn't even buy into this break, I don't think. I think you just might have cruised in. Feeling high on life after the first two, eh? Chi Jung Lu, Sean Burke, Mizael Urbina, Cooper Bowman, Tyler McDonough, Cade Povich, Michael Harris, Owen Kellington, Landon Marceau, Alexander Ramirez, Calvin Ziegler, first Chrome, is Wilman Diaz, Boo Dodgers, Sam Bachman, Another Genesis. Henry Davis. This one is not numbered. Francisco Alvarez. Black and white wave. And Jordan McCants. We got some sick cards so far. I'm really excited. We're only we're not even halfway through the second box yet, so I gotta get moving so we can get you guys out of here. But what I will say is we've pulled some good cards so far. There's just a lot. Perfect. Slide that guy over there. Get you this Genesis. So the numbered cards in the Invicta are thicker, and then the Genesis are, they seem normal. They slide down in there pretty easily. And the normal 35 pointer. Pretty good. Sick card. Henry Davis. Oh man. It's getting crowded up in here. Ooh. I'm going to move out Colton. Moving in Henry Davis. Welcome to the party. All right, box salvage and Cooper Bowman. It's time. Let's get it. Chase McDermott. Errol Vera. Kai Bush. Brennan Davis. Bubba Chandler. Frank Mozzicato, Dustin Signs, Heston Kjerstad. Me and my partner have pulled, in the card business, I've pulled 2 Heston Kjerstad autos recently. Check out our videos if you want to see them. Francisco Alvarez, Ryan Holgate, Bobby Witt Jr., Tyler Black, Jordy Barley, Zach Veen, Errol Vera, and Julio Carreras. Spencer Torkelson. Oop. Jefferson Quero. Austin Love. Brock Selvage. There he is. Kind of like last time, man. We just need to heat you up with one of the normal base cards first. What's up, Mike? How you doing, bro? Welcome. Sam Bachman. We've already pulled some fire. We pulled 2 Joey Barts today. I know you'll appreciate that. The Giants. Kevin Alcantara, they were autos. Wes Kath, Alexander Vargas, Michael Morales, Gunnar Henderson, Ryan Spikes, got Toronto Blue Jay, Jordan Groshans, Emmanuel Rodriguez, Joe Mack. We saw this one earlier. Gunnar Hoglund and Ricky Tiedemann. Ryan Spikes. All right, that was two okay packs back to back. Nothing great came out of those last 2. The one before that, I think, was the Henry Davis. Looks like we got another Invicta. Who is it? We'll see. Hopefully it's numbered. Duck Nikhazy, Garrett Mitchell, Denzel Clark, Blaze, Trent DeVoe, Victor Mesa, Mason Miller, Asa Lacey, Austin Martin, J.C. Correa, Gavin Williams. This one looks like it's going to be numbered. And I'm gonna show the Invicta last. So I'm going to pull this Gavin Williams off. This is numbered out of 499. Congrats to the Indians. We got another one right behind it. Maximo Acosta. That one is this one not numbered? No, it's not. Sorry about that. Henry Davis. Pio Chen. Nick Gonzalez. Looks like it's a Boston Red Sox. Who is it? Marcelo Meyer making another appearance. Let's go, baby. Invicta. Like I said, guys, I got to get the other penny sleeves for these ones, so I'll load these up for you guys after putting it on the side. All right. Yup. Nice. Marcelo Meyer coming in hot. That's why those Boston Red Sox sell. I didn't do too good on my 2 breaks for these, though, in terms of pricing, guys, because like an idiot, to start my eBay bids, I put 20 teams ending all at the same time. Rookie mistake, right? It's okay. I'm here to serve you. What's up, JMJ Walt? We just pulled the Marcelo Meyer Invicta. We got that Marcelo Meyer 250 already on deck. Pedro Pineda, Ty Madden, Robert Powson, Pedro Leon, Jay Allen, Tyler Madison, Colton Cowser, JT Schwartz. You got Mariners? My G, I don't think I've seen any crazy Mariners cards coming out, but thanks for telling me because I know who to root for. Everybody that's been in here tonight has been speaking it into existence, so start saying the players that you got. We got all the autos and stuff already out for some of our other breaks, so hopefully some of that good luck will come to you, my G. Shaylin Blanco, Joe Mack. Oh, sorry. Fat fingered it. Orelvis Martinez. Christian Hernandez. Doug Nikhazy. Jacob Steinmetz. This is a gold, so this is out of 50. This is a dope card. Out of 50, gold. I like that. Oh, sorry, guys. I moved on to the next pack too quick after the last one and didn't sleeve up the cards. I got you. Lonnie White Jr. And Dominic Hamel. Man, we got some pulls on the last 2 packs, guys. I'm elated. We're making moves now. Who we looking for on the M's, yeah? Let's see. Man, we got a lot of cards to sleeve up on these 2, huh? Some of these black and white ones are so thick. Not thick, but like, you know what I mean. Thick in terms of how they are in terms of like a normal baseball card. They're not these thicker ones that go in the 75 pointer that I'm about to put this one in. But you know what I mean. Just like thicker than the typical Topps card. Those ones curve a little bit because they're made with such thickness that sometimes the paper just naturally kind of bends because it's so thick. Look at this guy in a 75 pointer. Oh, man, we're going to have to start moving the homies around. All right, guys, again, I'm going to probably get cut off at some point as I get closer to an hour because we're trying to get our viewers on YouTube up. We're at 30-something right now. We're trying to get to 50 so that we can start streaming live on YouTube with no restrictions. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. So sorry about if we get cut off. I'm just going to put the cards down exactly where we're at. You'll see exactly where we stop. I'll pick up right where we left off. Let's see. You only get an hour on Instagram, unfortunately, though. That's why I want to get off of here. Get off of this. All right. Let's get Maximo, my boy. To a sleeve, penny sleeve, and let's get it moving. All right, we're back. Brainier Bonacci. Andrew Abbott, what's up? Twin Shifty, what's oh, that's JT, what's good? You'll just come straight back. I'll just send you a second invite for the live. Sorry about that. Cal Conley, Jose Salas, Brendan Beck, Brainier Bonacci, Chad Patrick. I'll try to get moving too for you. Aaron Sosato, Drew Gray, Max Meyer, Christian Encarnacion Strand, Jay Allen. We got red. Yeah, we hit that 101 printing plate earlier. CJ Adams, Austin Martin, Brady House Genesis. Nice card. John Rhodes. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, we hit a printing plate earlier in our gallery break. Luis Garcia. That was a sick little 1-of-1 for us. Start the night off. We hit a couple Joey Bart autos. We hit a Tanner Houck auto. We got an 050 already. We got a Marcelo Meyer Genesis right here in the middle of 250. Pumped on that. These Genesis cards are sick. Get them sleeved up for you guys. But yeah, so if you guys lose me on the stream, I'm just going to put the pack down. I'll send you guys another invite to come back. I'm going to post the first video on the Instagram page as well for our friends who are not with us so that they can see with all transparency what's good. And we'll keep it moving. Mick Abel, Jackson Wolf. Yeah, we've had two Invictas, a Marcelo Meyer and a Jackson Job, so two pretty good ones. But the penny sleeves are a little tight, so I'm not gonna sleeve those up. I'm gonna use my bigger ones. Will Bednar, Guy Rosario, John Rhodes, Andy Rodriguez, Kevin Kopps, Yoendrick Pinago, Elmer Rodriguez Cruz. Oops, sorry guys. Ruben Ibarra, Ryan Holgate, Andrew Abbott, Helio Ramos, Tyler Black, and Jordan Groshans. All right, let's keep it moving. Appreciate you guys being live in the chat in this one because our first one tonight, the chat was a little slow. Makes it way more fun for me when I'm rooting with you guys, opening these cards. So, yeah, let me know. Let me know in the mentions who I'm rooting for. And we'll get these open for you guys. All right. Almost halfway through. Let's see if I can mob through this one to get us back on track so that this doesn't take forever. Sorry, guys, my first Bowman break. I'm not used to breaking this many cards. So again, it was a 6 and 4 split, it looks like, because we got an empty box right there. Just moved it over. We got 5 and 5. Time to party. Let's roll. Yeah, let's get some Harry Ford. How about that 101 style? But I don't think you can get that in these boxes. I'm pretty sure that's only in the jumbo, super jumbo. Nick Gonzalez, Doug Nikhazy, Garrett Mitchell, Jordan Lawler, Eric Silva, Victor Mesa Jr., Mason Miller, Asa Lacy, Austin Martin, J.C. Correa, Shaylin Polanco, Austin Hendrick, Bobby Witt. This is box number 3, my G. We just started. Dalen Lyle, C.J. Abrams, Julio Rodriguez. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to have to defer to my boy New York Sun on here, but with the Bowman draft, are you thinking this is a pretty nice box so far? I'm going to put these over to the side, guys. I'll sleeve up the black and white waves right after just to save some time. Yeah, they are sick. I agree. I want to see an auto in this. Pete Crow Armstrong, Jacob Steinmetz, J.J. Blede, Julio Rodriguez, Kyle Manzardo, Eduardo Garcia, Dante Williams, Michael McGreevy, Ben Kudrna, Christian Hernandez, Cooper Kinney, Malcolm Nunez, Dante Williams, Shane Ponzini, Gavin Williams, and Doug Nikhazy, Joe Rock. Here, I'll show you the Invictas, but I don't really want to set them up on their edge until they're in a protective case, or the top loaders, because these are nice. We got the Marcelo Meyer and Jackson Jobe. They're both sick. Neither of them are numbered, though. Really pumped to provide those. Hedbert Perez, Matt Mikulski, Austin Hendrick, Pedro Leon, Jay Allen, McCade Brown, C.J. Abrams, Brooks Goswin, Jose Torres, Jeremy De La Rosa, Michael Morales, Benny Montgomery, we got a numbered card behind this one. Oh, we got back-to-back numbered cards. Okay. So the other one was Benny Montgomery. That's what we just saw. We got Ruben Ibarra out of 199. This is 136. And right behind him. Oh, was I wrong? Oh, sorry, guys. I thought there was an identical card right behind it. Jordan Byers, refractor. Ryan Cusick. And Ronnie Mauricio. I like how nice and thick these numbered cards are. It makes them really stand out compared to some of the others. top loader for you. Sick card. Let's keep it moving. So we said we're looking for who? Harry Ford? Okay, let's go. Let's get it. We're a couple minutes away from the 1 hour mark, guys, so I'm going to keep a hot eye on that. It's going to start counting me down, too, so I'll be able to give you guys a pretty good heads up. But, yeah. Actually, you know what? Now that I think about it, I'll post all the full videos at the end rather than doing it in between each one so that I can get you guys back on the live after I figured out how to get the videos to store to my Instagram, so we'll be all good. That was Jaden Hill, Spencer Torkelson, Jefferson Cuero, Jose Salas, Brendan Beck, Kevin Alcantara, Wes Kath, Alexander Vargas, Gunnar Henderson. What's up, Adam? Ryan Spikes. We got some heat so far. Oh, that's Jackson Jobe. Probably not going to have a nice voice. No, people at work probably aren't going to like me very much. This is my first time doing this long. Alec Thomas. Yoendrick Pinongo. Genesis. Michael McGreevy. These cards are sick. Black Wave. Tanner Allen. Dalen Lyle. Get these in top loaders for you guys, or not top loaders, pennies, but then I'll put them in top loaders before I send them out, so I got you. Get this moving for our East Coast friends. We know you guys got places to be, a.k.a. the bed. What's up, Germs? Yo, the bottom of this Genesis card, I don't think there is anything wrong with it. Just want to point that out. Before anything, sick card, though. Let's go. What's up, Jeremy? All right, let's get it. Austin Love. Jordan Groshans. Jordan McCants. Will Bednar. Eguy Rosario. Edwin Arroyo. Lovier Peguero. Tyler Black. Ian Moeller. Harry Ford. Hario Pormaris. We got Jose Torres. Julio Carreras. Freddie Valdez. Puyu Chen. And Reed Trimble. All right, last time after we had a pack with only the refractor in it, with no Black Wave or no Genesis or no Invicta, we started getting hot right after that. So hopefully we can bring you back. Kai Bush, Helio Ramos, Carter Jensen, Luis Matos, Brendan Bossier, Alex Mojica, Jason Dominguez, Ethan Wilson, Adley Rutschman, Spencer Swellback, Steven Hajar, numbered out of 499. We have J.C. Correa, shortstop. Wes Kath. Chase Petty.